We'll guide you through how to make a potion of infestation in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a super useful potion to have. First of all, get 3 glass blocks, and that's from smelting sand, and put them in a V shape in your crafting table like so to get 3 glass bottles. Right click on a water source with the glass bottles to fill them. Now what you're going to go and need is a blaze rod from killing a blaze, nether wart, which can be found in the nether, and stone, and you can get this from smelting cobblestone. Now come into your brewing stand, put your water bottles in there, and you'll need to go and put the blaze rod into a crafting table to get blaze powder. That fuels the brewing stand, and place your nether wart in there. Now go and wait. That'll give you an awkward potion, and then you need to go and put your stone into the brewing stand. And just like that, you've now got a potion of infestation. What you can do is go and use gunpowder and you make it a splash potion. We'll go and add that in now. And just like that, you've now got yourself a splash potion of infestation. What happens is when you get hurt with the potion, there's a chance that silverfish will spawn.